Solve the equation 2r squared minus 13r plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation that is in standard form. So let's go ahead and factor this left-hand side using trial and error. If it factors, it's going to factor as two binomials. We know that our leading terms must be 2r and r to give a product of 2r squared. Now we want to get our factors of positive 6 in the correct location. Notice that our factors are going to give a positive sum, or a positive product, yet a negative sum. Therefore, they must both be negative values. Factors of 6, let's try a negative 1 and a negative 6 in here. Quickly checking, is negative 1r and a negative 12r equal to negative 13r, and yes it is. Now let's use our zero factor property, setting each of these factors equal to 0. So 2r minus 1 is equal to 0, or r minus 6 is equal to 0. And solving each linear piece, 2r is equal to 1, which gives r equal 1/2, or r is equal to 6. It's always safe to quickly check your answers in that original equation, and you will find that we do have indeed the correct answers. Let's say then that the solution set is 1/2 and 6.